7 superfoods you should include in your diet now. Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss: How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
7 superfoods you should include in your diet now. Adopting a healthy diet is essential to ensure long-term health and well-being. One of the best ways to improve your diet is to include superfoods, nutrient-dense foods that have numerous health benefits. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and other bioactive compounds that help prevent diseases, improve immunity and provide more energy. Here are 7 superfoods you should start including in your diet as soon as possible. 1. Squeaky. Chia seeds are small but extremely powerful. Rich in fiber, protein and omega-3, they help improve digestion, regulate cholesterol and keep the heart healthy. Furthermore, chia is a great source of antioxidants, which fight premature aging and cellular damage. How to consume. Add chia to smoothies, yogurts, salads or even water to make the famous chia gel. Chia, the powerful superfood. Chia is a small seed, but full of health benefits. Originally from Central America, it has been used for centuries by ancient civilizations, such as the Aztecs and Mayans, due to its nutritional properties. Today, chia is considered a superfood because it is extremely rich in essential nutrients for the body, which makes it an excellent option to include in a balanced diet. Here are some of the main benefits of chia. 1. Rich in omega-3. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats essential for heart and brain health. Regular consumption of omega-3s helps reduce inflammation, lower your risk of heart disease, and improve cognitive function. This makes chia an excellent alternative for vegetarians and vegans who do not consume animal sources of omega-3, such as fish. 2. Fiber source. Chia is incredibly rich in fiber, making it excellent for digestion. Just one serving of chia can provide around 11 grams of fiber, which represents a significant portion of the recommended daily intake. Fiber helps the digestive system function properly, helping to prevent constipation and promoting a feeling of satiety, which can be useful for those seeking weight control. 3. Vegetable proteins. If you're looking for a good source of plant-based protein, chia is an excellent option. It contains about 4 grams of protein per serving, making it an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans who want to increase their protein intake. Furthermore, chia has all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. 4. Powerful antioxidants. Another strong point of chia is its antioxidant content, which protects the body against premature aging and oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer, as well as promote healthier skin with fewer signs of aging. 5. Helps control blood sugar. Due to the high concentration of fiber and its ability to form a gel when it comes into contact with liquids, chia seeds help regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes or who want to prevent glucose spikes after meals. 6. Helps with hydration. Chia has the ability to absorb up to 10 times its weight in water, forming a gel. This property makes it an excellent ally for keeping the body hydrated for longer. For athletes or people who exercise, consuming chia helps maintain hydration and provides an extra dose of energy during training. How to include chia in your diet. Chia is incredibly versatile and can be added to a wide variety of foods. You can mix it into yogurts, smoothies, or juices. Use it in salads to add crunch. Add it to oatmeal or cereal. Prepare chia puddings by combining it with milk or water. 2. Avocado. Avocado is a versatile superfood, rich in healthy fats, monounsaturated, which are beneficial for the heart. It also contains potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Its healthy fats help keep cholesterol levels balanced and promote healthier, more hydrated skin. How to consume. Avocado can be consumed plain, in salads, guacamole, or even in smoothies. Avocado, the powerful health ally. Avocado is a superfood that brings several health benefits, being especially valued for its richness in healthy fats. It originates from Central and South America and has become popular around the world, both for its unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Avocado is versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, from salads and savory dishes to desserts. Now, let's talk about the importance of this incredible food and how it can contribute to your body's well-being. 1. Rich in healthy fats. One of the main benefits of avocado is its high content of monounsaturated fats, which are healthy for the heart. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL, protecting the heart against cardiovascular disease. Monounsaturated fats also help reduce inflammation in the body, which can prevent several chronic diseases. 2. Source of vitamins and minerals. Avocado is a real nutrient bomb. It is rich in vitamins such as vitamin K, which is essential for bone health, vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties and protects the skin, and vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. Additionally, avocado contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintains the body's electrolyte balance. 3. Antioxidants and protection against aging. Another great benefit of avocado is its antioxidant content, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. The antioxidants present in avocado also help fight free radicals, preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Helps with digestive health. Avocado is an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for the proper functioning of the digestive system. Consuming fiber regularly helps prevent constipation, improves gut health, and promotes efficient digestion. In addition, fiber increases the feeling of satiety, which can be useful for those who want to control their weight. 5. Helps with weight control. Although avocado is relatively high in calories, its healthy fats and fiber help prolong feelings of fullness, which can prevent overeating. Studies show that including avocado in a balanced diet can help with appetite control, making it easier to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. 6. Benefits for skin and hair. Regular consumption of avocado can do wonders for your skin and hair. The vitamin E present in avocado hydrates the skin, promoting a healthier appearance and preventing premature aging. Furthermore, avocado helps keep hair strong and shiny, and it is common to use avocado-based hair masks for its nourishing properties. 7. Immune system support. Thanks to its content of vitamin C and other bioactive compounds, avocado is also an excellent ally for strengthening the immune system. Consuming avocado regularly can help protect the body against infections by keeping the body's defense system active and functional. How to include avocado in your diet. Avocado is versatile and can easily be included in your daily diet. Some simple ways to consume it include salads. Add avocado slices to salads for an extra dose of creaminess and nutrients. Toast. The famous avocado toast is a delicious and healthy way to start the day. Smoothies. Blend avocado with fruit and plant-based milk for a creamy, nutritious smoothie. Guacamole. Prepare classic guacamole to accompany meals or as a healthy snack. Desserts. Avocado can be used in mousses, ice cream, and other healthy desserts. 3. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the best sources of plant-based protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Furthermore, it is rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, making it an excellent option for those looking for a nutritious and balanced diet. Quinoa is also gluten-free, making it a great alternative for people with gluten intolerance. How to consume. Use cooked quinoa in salads, as a side dish for meals, or even in sweet preparations such as porridge and desserts. And if you are enjoying the tips, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. This will help us to bring more tips to you. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are famous for being rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give the fruit its characteristic blue color and help fight free radicals in the body. Furthermore, they are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K and fiber, which makes them a great ally for cardiovascular health and the immune system. How to consume. Add blueberries to smoothies, yogurts, fruit salads or consume them as a healthy snack. 5. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-packed green superfood. It is rich in iron, calcium, vitamins A and K, as well as being a good source of antioxidants. Regular consumption of spinach can improve bone health, strengthen immunity and aid digestion due to its high fiber content. How to consume. Spinach can be consumed in salads, soups, sautéed or added to green juices. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to curcumin, its main active compound. Regular consumption of turmeric can help fight inflammation in the body, reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease, and even improve brain function. How to consume. Use turmeric as a seasoning in hot dishes, such as rice, vegetables or stews. It can also be added to smoothies or teas. 7. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in the body, improve cognitive function and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. How to consume. Salmon can be grilled, roasted or consumed in sushi and sashimi. Try combining it with vegetables for a complete and nutritious meal. Conclusion. Include superfoods in your routine. Superfoods are a powerful way to improve your health and prevent disease. By including these foods in your daily life, you will be providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function better, increasing your energy and promoting longevity. Remember to vary your diet and combine these superfoods with a balanced and healthy diet. Did you like these tips? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content about healthy eating and well-being. Like this video and share it with your friends so they can also discover the benefits of these superfoods. Together, we can adopt a healthier and more energetic life. Also watch these other videos, which complete more about this subject, so important for you to have a healthier life. We leave it here at the end for you.